Oh, my coffee's getting cold, from hot to cold. But the videos aren't, because they're exciting topics. Very few people know, care, or even understand what a multifaceted industry and the work an agent needs to undertake in the residential field, which is a tough field of real estate. 90% of what we as realtors do is not seen by your buyer or your seller. It is behind the scenes, the boring tasks. You can't sexy that up. It is what it is. It's what it takes to sell real estate. And for agents, if you do not let your sellers know and your buyers know what you're doing, they will never appreciate or understand your value. In the absence of value, price will become an issue, especially your commission. I've said it before, buyers are not looking for an agent, they're looking for a house. Sellers, not necessarily an agent, they want their house sold. Everybody is looking for the best deal for them. So for us as agents, what are we doing about our value proposition? We need to ramp this up. We need to prove and show our value, that it is effective and real. Do the right things and the right things will follow. But you also need to let the buyers and sellers know what you do to make a difference to them. We are the difference that makes the difference. Happy selling, happy investing, happy buying.